The 2023 Toyota BZ4X is the Japanese automaker's first foray into the electric vehicle market. It features a powerful electric motor, all-wheel drive with X-mode, striking design, and 20-inch alloy wheels. The BZ4X is a battery-electric compact crossover SUV that has been engineered alongside the Subaru Solterra. It has a single-motor front-wheel drive model that produces 201 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. The BZ4X comes in two trim levels: XLE and Limited. The Limited trim level offers a 12.3-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, as well as an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat and heated front seats for added comfort. It also features an aerodynamic performance to help improve fuel efficiency and reduce drag on the vehicle. The BZ4X has a range of up to 300 miles on a full charge, depending on driving conditions and terrain. It also features DC fast charging capabilities, allowing drivers to quickly recharge their vehicles in just 30 minutes or less at select locations around the country. However, it is important to note that this feature should not be relied upon for long-distance travel due to its limited availability in certain areas. In addition to its impressive range and charging capabilities, the BZ4X also offers several driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control with lane centering assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, and more. These features are designed to make driving safer and more convenient for drivers of all skill levels. Overall, the 2023 Toyota BZ4X is an impressive entry into the electric vehicle market that offers plenty of features at an affordable price point. With its powerful motor, striking design elements, comfortable interior amenities, impressive range and charging capabilities, as well as advanced driver assistance technologies, it is sure to be a popular choice among EV enthusiasts looking for an efficient ride without sacrificing style or performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.